Python json.loads doesn't work. I've been trying to figure out how to load JSON objects in Python. Where am I going wrong? Error code, JScript. True code, JScript. True code, Python.
Your JSON data is enclosed in extra quotes, making it a JSON string, and the data contained within that string is not JSON. Print repredict data instead, you'll get. And the JSON library is correctly interpreting that as one string with the literal contents, name column journal 2. If you stripped the outer quotes, the contained characters are not valid JSON, because JSON strings must always be enclosed in double quotes. For all the JSON module is concerned, data could just as well have contained this as not JSON, and post data would have been set to others as not JSON. Fix whatever is producing this string, your view is fine, it's the input that is broken.
To work around the error expecting property name enclosed in double quotes, you can do.
You can also go with eval. It works and returns you a dict.
I 14 år, Prias konsidesubskriving.